Welcome to another episode of the Water Economy Circular, from drop to documentary, the full circle of water. As you watch, remember that knowledge is our first line of defense. We will embark on a journey into the underwater world where we'll discover the silent invaders that lurk beneath the surface. Our waters are teeming with life, but not all of it is beneficial. Here we will uncover the truth about aquatic nuisance species. Let's dive in. You may not know this, but the silent invaders of our waters, aquatic nuisance species, cause billions of dollars in damage every year. These are non-native species that threaten the ecological balance of our waters and the activities that depend on them. Take, for example, the zebra mussel, a tiny creature native to Eurasia. It rapidly colonizes hard surfaces, smothering native mussels and disrupting the ecological balance. Its close relative, the quagga mussel, shares these destructive tendencies, causing significant ecological and infrastructural damage. Then, there's the Asian carp, a group of species known for rapid reproduction and high plankton consumption, which deprives native fish of their primary food source. Sea lampreys, native to the Atlantic Ocean, have invaded the Great Lakes and become major predators of native species, decimating populations and changing the ecological makeup of the water. The Eurasian Watermilfoil, an aquatic plant, forms dense mats at the water's surface, displacing native plants and interfering with water activities, while the round goby competes with native species for food and habitat. Not to be left out, the spiny water flea, a tiny crustacean, reduces the food available for small native fish by consuming large amounts of zooplankton. Purple loosestrife, though beautiful, can dominate wetlands, displacing native vegetation and degrading wildlife habitat. The New Zealand mud snail, found in American waterways including lakes, rivers, and streams, reproduces rapidly, outcompeting native species for food. And then there's the lionfish, native to Indo-Pacific waters, now an invasive species in the Atlantic, consuming large quantities of native fish and reproducing rapidly. These are just a few examples of the damage caused by aquatic nuisance species. The threats they pose are severe, affecting ecology, economy, and even human health. But don't despair. We can all play a part in mitigating their spread. Simple preventative measures like adhering to boat cleaning protocols and participating in public education campaigns can go a long way. Remember, every action counts. Be a part of the solution today for a healthier, richer, and more diverse aquatic life tomorrow. Stay tuned for our next episode of the Water Economy Circular, from drop to documentary, the full circle of water.